I plan on doing this weekly, she said, and a month later, hello. like, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about the time I went bald for the first time. Yes, there are multiple times I went bald.
The hater is going to hate.
But the first time I went bald was when I was 15. And for those of you who don't know, I come from a Punjabi Sikh household. We're not supposed to cut our hair, even the men. So it was like my act garnered some unpleasant reactions for sure. Even now, if I just before making this video, even when this topic came to mind and I was thinking about why I did it, and even sometimes when people ask me कि भाई क्यों, I never have a coherent answer. I never have like, okay, this is the reason I went bald. No, there was just so much. I remember there was so much feelings inside of me at that time. I think a majority of the situation can be pinned to hormonal changes that happen at that age. I was a teenager. I was raging. I was a very rebellious teenager for sure. Like, when I look back on the time, I mean, I'm 24 now, so बहुत टाइम हो गया, but डर लगता है. मतलब it was something else only. So so there were hormones at play. There were many other things. I remember before I made that decision, or what decision, I remember when I did it, I went into my bathroom one night and I just, started shaving my head. There was no concrete thought कि okay आज ये होने वाला है. It just like it was on my mind for a few months and then I decided to go ahead with it. I never cut my hair and then suddenly I'm like चमचमाता हुआ टकला, right? So बहुत change था वो भी सब के लिए. But I remember some things inside of me, they had been simmering and they were building up gradually for a very like a very long time. And reflecting back, I processing chodo, even identifying my emotions did not come very naturally to me. I have always been, and I still am, a very like sensory person, right? I love to interact with my physical environment. I love to touch fabrics. I love to eat my food really slowly. I love to engage with my environment, be it people, animals, or just like things around me. I love to like so बहुत मज़ा आता है मुझे. So yeah, identifying my emotions did not come naturally to me, and my very strong inclination as a sensor, I feel it was never even prioritized internally. Like I never felt that I should sit down and reflect. Like that was just a very foreign, very strange concept for me. I don't know what that means at that time. So I would never, if I'm feeling strong things inside, just to be able to put them in words also was like a task. It would take a long time to identify कि अच्छा भाई ये bother हो रहा है and ये feeling उसका आ रहा है. But नहीं होता था मेरे से. जो भी था, I was like अरे छोड़ो अभी, let's go play in the grass, or let's, it was just, I'm putting it in a very rudimentary way, I feel, but I was always distracted by the number of things I was doing, and I never really prioritized sitting with my feelings and reflecting and having that internal dialogue. I never did that. Naturally भी नहीं आया, मन भी नहीं किया. तो पूरा एनर्जी हमेशा आउटवर्ड था, फिजिकल, towards the physical, and just engaging with the things around me. I was like, internal किसके पास टाइम है, मस्ती करते हैं. Everything was मस्ती and मज़े, and yeah. So all of that took the back seat, the teenage hormones, the rising feelings, and all of that. वो सब पीछे चला गया. And now suddenly I am a person who's having so much अंदरूनी भसड़, and there is no outlet. I'm like, what do you do with it, right? And I think the best I could was just to make a drastic change in my own self, like in my own physical self, and I just went bald. Yeah. So I think just feeling strong emotions to theek hai, but a part of me was equating all of that, myself in that situation, as being stuck or being like caged. Maybe the feelings and the non-processing of them was causing that mm, was causing that holding back of me. And I was just like, ये क्या हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, समझ नहीं आ रहा है, and so that in summary that is accurate, I feel. Something that I did 9 years ago, I'm looking into a camera phone right now and talking about it, and still I don't have like a coherent one sentence answer ki listen, this is why I went bald. I don't know. So I don't know. So how can I, or how can anybody approach things with such black and whitedness in their dealings of life or relationships or just their feelings and thoughts or whatever? Nothing is black and white. I don't know what tangent I'm going on right now and what tangent I wanted to stick to when I started the video, but I realized the past few days I have also been feeling strong emotions, and I'm not saying I'm the same level of emotional quotient I was at when I was a teenager, but um, it is not easy. It is not easy, and just to be able to hold that compassion for yourself and for others, it's the toughest thing in the world. मतलब मेरा मन करता है मैं झापड़ लगाऊं लोगों को, and I am supposed to feel compassion for them, right? I see, I get it, like not supposed to, like oh supposed to nahi, but that is how emotions work, no? Like if I want to be um, validated, or if I want to be loved in a certain way, or if I want to be like made space for, I have to hold that space for somebody else. I have to do that, and it's so it's so hard. Like I don't know. Recently I was having a conversation with a friend about this कि भाई I मुझे नहीं पता कि I just want XYZ person to look at me and to be there for me in a certain way and just to hold that space for me. उसने मुझे बोला, my friend, when I told him this, he said, तुम पता है क्या बोल रही हो? तुम बोल रही हो तुम्हें भूख लगी है और सामने वाला तुम्हें खाना नहीं दे रहा. And I was instantly I was just like put in my place, like like I sat down, I was sad because ये बंदा सही बोल रहा है. He said, तुम खुद का खाना बनाओगी, you know how much, what kind of taste you want, तुमको कितना बनाना है, अब बना ही रही हो इतने दिनों से, शायद एक दिन पड़ोसियों के लिए भी बना लोगी. I'm like, भाई, there is like, it makes a lot of sense. At the same time, it's so hard to do that, to let go of the expectation, to let go of the um, the ये तो मुझे चाहिए इस बंदे से, and to offer yourself that, simultaneously making space for them, making compassionate space for them. It's still hard, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. It doesn't come super naturally to me. It doesn't make sense at times for me. I am angry at times. I'm very that same boiling, simmering feeling is happening where I want to just expel it somehow and just maybe punch a wall, break a TV, I don't know. But I don't know actually, and that's okay. That is okay. That's okay. You can let me know down in the comments if you feel the same at times, or if you don't and you're a Sant Mahatma at whatever age you are, no, don't tell me that. I don't want to know. But but yeah, man, let's talk about it. Let's open a conversation for that. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. ये क्या हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, समझ नहीं आ रहा है, so that